About this item: white heavy checkmark, universal size for 99% chairs, set of 5 Sytopia's premium office chair caster wheels. Universal stem size, 7/16 wide x 7/8 tall, 11 x 22 mm, caster stem fits up to 99% chairs, office chairs, computer chairs, desk chairs, sold across USA/Canada, doesn't fit IKEA chairs. 100 points saved for all floors. Sytopia's caster wheels doesn't need plastic office chair mats at all. The office chair wheels can safely glide on your wood, vinyl, carpet, hardwood, tile, and laminate floors without causing any scratches or noise. P.S. Regarding the smooth rolling on carpet, it depends on the pile carpet that you have. Some roll better and some aren't as smooth. High pile carpet usually rolls less smooth than low pile gemstone. Reliable structure and materials. Double row 2 inches wide chair casters design makes the chair wheels sturdy and long-lasting durability. Sytopia's rollerblade wheels are made of top-grade metal, premium polyurethane, and nylon. They have longer service life. First place metal, quiet and smooth. Sytopia's rollerblade caster has shock-absorbing polyurethane, and you will enjoy a quieter, smooth glide around your home office. Smiling cat face with hard eyes, tool-free and easy installation. Sytopia's rollerblade chair wheels are fast and easy to install. A simple 2-step assembly process. Just put your old casters out and push the new ones in. You will finish in 5 minutes. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: white heavy checkmark, universal size for 99% chairs, set of 5 Sytopia's premium office chair caster wheels. Universal stem size, 7/16 wide x 7/8 tall, 11 x 22